Ooh, that is a bright flash, huh, Chewy? He shed tonight, so I brought him out. I do that anytime my snakes, if they shed or I have to clean their enclosure and I have to take them out for something. I spend time with them and handle them and work with them. Just let them know they mean a lot to me. Hey, where you going? Where you going? Nice, beautiful shed there, pal. The big mongoose, you. You're a big cow. Yeah, you are. Muscle boy. He's muscle bound. Hey, handsome. What are you doing? Now he'll sit here in this thing beside me all day if I let him. He won't go anywhere. Chewy. So I'm the muscle man around here. You better believe it. You gonna go say hi to Dennis? That piece of shed's coming off the very... He left one little piece of shed on the tip of his tail. Where you going? You gonna go say hi to Dennis? You going to say hello, Dennis? Huh? You say hi, Dennis? Say hi, Dennis. It won't hurt him. He's okay.
Sterilizes.
It won't hurt him. Sanitizer. Yeah, no, it won't hurt him. He found something. Yeah, I rearranged that whole... Oh, my stuffed snake over there. Is that what you found? Wait till you meet Jasmine. You're going to have your hands full with her. She's a piece of work. She gets old enough to breed with you. You're going to have your hands full, Chewy. Yeah, you are. She's got attitude. You're going to have a lot of fun. Sorry, you look cloudy and... this is flash on this camera. It's really exceptionally bright. Yeah, this is what we do. We spend time together. Also, the white milky color on his skin is the reflection of the plastic coat on his skin. Their skin picks up so much lights and colors and prisms of colors. That's why they look like antifreeze. Uh-oh. You gonna go see Belle? You gonna go visit Belle? She looks at you, she's gonna have a heart attack and die as big as you are. Look, curiosity. It's Belle. You haven't met that one yet, Chewy. No, you can't get on top of Belle's enclosure. No, no. No, no. Go say hi to Dennis. I call him Stevie Wonder because his head's always going from side to side. No, no, you leave Belle alone. Belle's a new kid in town. You don't need to get her all nervous. He's so good-natured. Very passive snake. So easy to handle, work with. Anybody can pick them up if they're capable. So I'm handsome. Yeah, I am. I'm dying to get into everything. He's all reared up and ready to go once he sheds, because it takes him 3 weeks to shed from start to finish. So once he's done shedding, he's ready to get up and go. No doubt. He's always wanting to get up and go when he's got his shed finished up. Guy's got a lot of energy. I wish I had some of it. Hey, 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 hey. Come here. Come here. Come to mama. Come to mama. Yeah. Whose boy are you? Your mama's boy. So I just shed, lady. Why are you harassing me? Can't wait till Jasmine's this big. I'll bet you Jasmine's gonna be as big as he is, Dennis. Guarantee it.
Really?
Yeah, she's coastal too, but she's caramel coastal. I guarantee you she's gonna be as big as he is. Once she gets used to going outside and getting that exercise every spring and summer, she'll shoot up like a rocket too. Chewy used to be that little. It's hard to believe it now. Huh. It's hard to believe it now as big as I am, but I used to be that little. You used to look like a shoelace. Now look at you. What'd you find? I found something. What'd you find? Huh? What'd you find? So, Mommy, you keep spinning that camera around, you're gonna make me crazy. Yeah, everybody calls him Hollywood now. He loves the camera. All he's got to do, when I take him
know, he's a
outdoors,
ham.
as soon as I pull the camera out of my pocket, he's right there in front of that camera every single time. He knows. They're not blind. They're not stupid. I don't know why people think snakes are stupid, because they're not. But he knows that camera by sight. He comes right for it every time I pull it out of my pocket. He'll completely ignore me. Just be roaming around me on the yard out there. And once I pull that camera out of my pocket, he's right on me, just like molasses on pancakes, or syrup on pancakes he is. Amazing animal. So yeah, she took the top off. Who you taste now? Oh, I had Belle in here when I first got her. You taste Belle?
He's pretty.
He is. He's a beautiful snake. Very healthy. So friendly and social. He's one of the proudest snakes I've ever raised. He's so proud. Look at that long tongue. Good Lord, Chewy. That's a long tongue, pal. Look at that tongue. Good grief, Chew. He tastes something in here. Belle. Because I had Belle living in here before I got that other glass tank bride in. I don't like that paint on the back of that. I think it's very ugly. That tongue going. What you taste? Paulo, get lost. Chewy will eat you. You don't want to bother him. He just shed. He's full of spunk, and I'm spunky now. I shed. Look at that long tongue. Good grief, pal. Chewy! Hey! Bling, 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 bling. That tongue going. You're so handsome. Yes, you are. Those eyes.
It's very shiny.
Very healthy. See, I'm a very healthy boy. I'm a very happy boy. I have a good life. I get to go outdoors all spring and summer. I get to come out in the house and hang out with Mom and watch TV and movies. What a rough life we have, huh, Chewy? Hi, Hollywood. Hi, Hollywood. Yeah, what a rough life you've got. Wish all snakes had a rough life like you do, huh? Yeah. That tongue's still going. You taste Belle, don't you? Bless you, Paulo. You getting a cold? Curious. Very curious animals. I'm surprised he hadn't stopped and started watching television yet. That's usually what he does. You're not watching TV tonight? Huh? You're not watching television tonight? You're such a handsome man. Yes, you are. Doesn't your tongue ever get tired, Chewy? Huh? Doesn't your tongue ever get tired? Huh? You can tell they hear your voice. They hear you talking because they respond to it. No, I was talking to him, he stopped licking his tongue. What'd you find? What'd you find? That's how he responds to you talking to him. He licks his tongue. Hey. What gets me is those few little scales right on the top of his nose that are darker than the rest of the scales on his head. It's pretty cool looking. Perfect. I'm perfect in every way. And I'm a spoiled rotten brat. He'd sleep in my bed. I swear if I let him in my bed at night, he'd never leave my bed. He'd stay here with me all night right in bed. Will you taste? Something tastes real good on this tote. You like Belle? Oh, Belle's a female. That might be it, huh? Say, oh, there's a female in the house. But she's not a python. she's a ball python, but she's not a carpet python. Yeah, he tastes Bell in here. Ooh, there's a woman in the house. Another female. Wait till you meet Jasmine. You're going to have your hands full with her, Chewy. You think Jade was fussy. Wait till you meet Jasmine. It'll be another year before he can get near her as big as he is, though. My tongue just going. Ring-a-ding-a-ding-a-ding. Snakes are so entertaining. I don't know why more people don't spend time with their snakes. They're very entertaining animals. Few more months, you can go back outdoors, buddy. Struggling through a really cold winter this year we are, I'll tell you. People said you look fat. I said, I'm not fat, I'm pure muscle. Brian Cusco, when he was here, he was amazed. He says, to look at him, you'd think he was fat in his pictures, but he's not fat at all. He's pure muscle. I said, yeah, he is pure muscle. Pick him up. He found out when he lifted him up out of his enclosure how muscular he is. He's a really great guy. I'm glad he came to visit. He's got a wonderful family. I see a great future for him and what he's doing with snake education. I won't be around a whole lot longer, I'm sure, but it's good to know there are a few people that'll follow in my path and teach people what I have, that these animals have personalities, they have feelings. My friend Gay, gotta love carpet python. She could be my twin. We're so much alike. We like the same colors. We like the same decor. We both are crazy about carpet pythons. She and I could be twins. I swear we could. Fantastic woman. She knows the truth about these animals. I think carpet pythons really excel with strong personalities. So I've raised every kind of snake there is just about, but it really seems that carpet pythons have superior personalities. Then again, it depends on how much time you spend with them. He's happy doing this, just sitting here in this plastic tote, looking around, tasting everything. That's what happy snakes do. See, we don't strike at people and hiss at them and frill ourselves all over the place when we're happy. This is what we do. We just hang out with people we love, huh? And yes, I did use the word love. Humans aren't the only species that are capable of love, no matter what you want to call it. Look at you, you're so handsome. That your tongue's making me tired. That tongue going. That tongue going. Look at that tongue. What beautiful eyes you have, Chewy.